In the 90s, we created the KICKER competition group, and that was headed up by Greg Davis. The team actually came to be because of the car stereo competitions that had started in the 80s, had begun to grow and expand, and we had a number of competitors that liked to use KICKER product. There were actually other teams developing too. And so, because we had a good foothold in that market, we decided that we would develop a competition team. That team was very, very successful. We kind of swept most of the competitions, and it was primarily because it was supported by us, and Greg Davis was very integral in that, getting the really best competitors on our team and using KICKER equipment. During that time, got Alma Gates, who was a competitor, to convert to KICKER product in her Bronco, which was the world record holder. We had a good thing going, and we had really all the top competitors on our team.
You out-rock the hard rock.
If it's too loud, you're too old.